Hi everyone. So in this session we will solve one more question related to sacrificing ratio. So in the question, Ravi and Kiran are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. So in this business organization, in the beginning there are only two partners, namely Ravi and Kiran. Both are sharing entire profits and losses in the proportions of 5:3. So this is what profit sharing ratio when the business organization only two partners. They admit Uday into partnership. So here Uday is a new partner, right? After that admission of a new partner, all the partners agreed to share profits and losses equally. Equally means nothing but 1:1:1. This is what equal proportion. So as per the given details, so we have three things. So in the beginning we have only two partners. After that admission of a new partner, the ratios are equally. So before that admission of a new partner, the old ratios are 5:3. So in this question, we need to ascertain, calculate the sacrifice share of Ravi and Kiran, right? For that ascertainment of this sacrificing ratio, they given all the data related to old share as well as new share. First, we need to take the headline. The headline: calculation of sacrifice ratio of Ravi and Kiran. So first of all, before that applying formula, first we need to record whatever the data they given in the question. The first one, world profit sharing ratio. So in the business organization, in the world ratio 5:3. 5:3. This is what world profit sharing ratio, right? So this ratio we can convert it as 5 plus 3, 8. 5 divided by 8 is to 3 by 8. This is what world ratios. And the same thing, after that admission of a new partner, all the partners they are sharing profits and losses equally. Equally means nothing but 1:1:1, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 1 by 3 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 3. This is what new profit sharing ratio. Now we need to apply the formula. The formula: sacrifice share equals to old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. It is also called old share minus new share. So first we need to identify Ravi share, Ravi sacrifice share. Sacrifice share of Ravi. As per the given data, the world profit sharing ratio of Ravi 5 divided by 8. This is what world share, right? You have to write 5 by 8. This is what world profit sharing ratio. After that admission of new partner, the new ratios are equal proportions. They are mentioned equally, right? Equally means 1:1:1. 1 by 3. 1 divided by 3. Here the denominator fractions are unequal. So in this situation we need to cross multiply. So how we need to cross multiply? So in the first one, 8 threes are 24, right? You have to write 24. The same being 8 threes are 8, 5 threes are 15. 8 ones are, we need to cross multiply. 8 ones are 8. So 5 threes are 15, 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. This is what cross multiplication. Again now we need to simplify. 15 minus 8. What is the differentiation? 15 minus 8, the differentiations are 7. 7 divided by 24. This is what sacrifice share of Ravi. On the same way, now we need to calculate one more partner's sacrifice share. The next partner Kiran, right? The next one, sacrifice share of Kiran. So first we need to write old share of Kiran. What is the old share of Kiran? The Kiran old share 3 divided by 8. 5:3. This is what old profit sharing ratio, right? So 5 is the share of Ravi, 3 is the share of Kiran. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 divided by 8. This is what old profit sharing ratio. Minus. Again, now we need to ascertain new profit sharing ratio. For that, ascertain a new profit sharing ratio. Specifically, they are mentioned equal proportions. Equal means nothing but 1:1:1. So, what is the share of Kiran? New share 1 divided by 3. 1 by 3. Here also, we need to cross multiply. So, when the denominator fractions are odd numbers or even numbers, means on that situations we need to take LCM factors for the simplification. But in this situation, we can't be able to take that LCM factor. That's when we need to cross multiply. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are, we need to cross multiply it. 3 3s are 9. 8 1s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9. 8 1s are 8. Again 9 minus 8. What is the differentiation? The differentiation are 1. 1 divided by 24. Finally, we need to simplify. Sacrifice share of Ravi and Kiran. 7 by 24 is to 1 by 24. Or 24 cancel means 7 is to 1. 7 is to 1. This is what sacrifice share of Ravi and Kiran. This is what calculation regarding this question. So in the next session we will solve some more questions. Thank you, students.